Hi everybody, on this episode we visit Zagreb in Christmas time, which is the capital city of Croatia. Croatia's vibrant capital is a living city, home to a quarter of the country's population and serving the cultural and political heart of the nation. An amalgamation of cultures, Zagreb perfectly blends the sophistication of the Central Europe with the laid-back charm of the Mediterranean. It's home to a thriving creative scene, countless cultural institutions, and some of the country's finest restaurants, as well as one of the best Christmas markets in all of Europe. Advent for Christmas in Zagreb is a spectacular citywide experience which transforms the capital into a winter wonderland. More than 25 individual Christmas markets are spread throughout the city's main squares and promenades, each with its own unique theme and atmosphere, yet blending together to give the feeling of one all-encompassing market. Charming stalls offer artisan products and handicrafts, as well as hearty regional cuisine and aromatic mulled wine. Glistening lights, colorful ornaments, and seasonal decorations complement a daily program of open-air entertainment and cultural performances, imbuing the atmosphere with holiday magic. With a myriad of activities on offer for guests of all ages, Advent Zagreb offers something for everyone. Croatian Journeys is on hand to offer expert suggestions, guiding you through each of Zagreb's unique individual markets on an unforgettable, tailor-designed Christmas time journey. Advent in Zagreb had the honor of being named Best Christmas Market by European Best Destinations 3 years in a row, from 2016 to 2018. As a 3-time winner, Zagreb has now received this award the maximum number of times. Zagreb's colorful market stalls present a wide variety of goods, often with a connection to local traditions and culture. Items on offer include decorative ornaments, candles, ceramics, jewelry, woolen scarves and hats, an array of toys, and more. One popular souvenir from the north of Croatia, able to found year-round, are the hand-carved wooden toys from the Hrvatsko-Zagorje region. This craft, developed in the 19th century by the villagers along the pilgrimage road to the Marian shrine of their Lady of Snows, is listed on the UNESCO representative list of intangible heritage of humanity. The toys, made of soft wood, take the form of whistles, horses, roosters, birds, butterflies, cars, doll furniture, and spinning dancers, many with moving parts which make noise. Cut and carved by the men and hand-painted by the women of the villages, no two toys are exactly the same. Another noteworthy souvenir are listed the ubiquitous red heart-shaped gingerbread cookie, which has become a symbol of Croatia. These colorfully painted cookies date back to the 13th century. At that time, they were an edible sweet, but now serve mainly decorative purposes, especially as Christmas ornaments in Croatian homes. They too find a home on the UNESCO representative list of intangible heritage of humanity. It's easy to eat well during Advent in Zagreb. Food stalls are plentiful and located throughout the city's market offering a wide variety of seasonal year-round delicacies, both local and international. Regional favorites such as a kobasice, homemade pork sausages, sarma, cabbage leaves stuffed with mincemeat, rice and spices, simmered into a tomato sauce of broth, Stroll, baked rolled pastry filled with cottage cheese and sour cream, and friture, small fried balls of dough dusted with powdered sugar and occasionally topped with a chocolate or caramel, can be found at multiple locations all around city's numerous markets. Warming beverages such as kuhano vino, literally cooked wine, are so pervasive that the scent of citrus and warm spices permeates the chilly market air, wafting of the freshly mulled wine steeped with cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg and dried fruit. Croatia's popular drink, rakia, a type of brandy, comes in a variety of flavors and warms from the inside out. Christmas markets are, above all, a place for gathering and spending quality time with family and friends. Therefore, in addition to shopping and dining, each year brings new ways to experience Advent in Zagreb with a program of concerts, activities, games, and entertainment. Yearly staples include the ever-popular open-air skating ring at King Tomislav Square, the live nativity scene staged in Capitol outside the Zagreb Cathedral, and the imaginative themed installations in the Grič Tunnel. Numerous stages throughout the city host live concerts, as do some of Zagreb's most beautiful balconies. Even Zagreb's public transportation gets a holiday makeover with the introduction of a family favorite, the Merry Christmas tram, which runs along Praska Street connecting to Banja Luka Square to Zrinjevac, and it's driven by Father Christmas himself. If you like my Christmas time in Zagreb video, I would like to see your likes, comments and subscription to my channel for the new travel videos from all around the world. See you!